here we're going to look at graphing a parabola, and specifically one that just has a front number and then an x squared. So just like graphing maybe a line or something, we can just pick different things for x and different things for y. So I'd say maybe a good starting point would be, let me plug in 0, just because 0 is an easy number to plug in. So if I put 0 in this function, it'll say -2 times 0, so you get the point 0, 0. Then they tell you they want 2 on each side of the vertex. The first time you do this, maybe you're not sure where the vertex is. After a couple, you kind of notice the pattern, or maybe after watching this. So let me try to do numbers maybe on each side of 0. So if I put 1 in here, I get -2 times 1, so that's -2. If I put 2 in here, I get -2 times 2 squared, so -2 times 4 is -8. If I put -1 in here, notice when it squares, it'll just be -2 times 1 again. And same thing, -2, -2 squared is +4, so it's really kind of the same output as this one, -2 times 4. And so notice a little bit of symmetry to that, like putting in these values gives you the same values out. That middle point is called the vertex, and it's especially easy to see what that point is when I look at the graph, or what it looks like to be a vertex. So I went down to -8 because I can see I need at least that far. And it looks like I only did 1, 2, 1, 2 on each side of this. So I have the point 0, 0. I have 1, -2. And I have 2, -8. And on the other side I have -1, -2. And -2, -8. So notice this is kind of symmetric on both sides. It's symmetric to the y-axis. So if I come up with this point that's in the middle, it'll be that higher low point is the vertex. Now on these, since there's nothing else added to it, tell that it's always going to be when I put in 0. But later we'll have ones that are kind of moved around the plane, and we'll have an easy way to find the vertex for those also. But basically just try to get your middle point and then maybe 2 points on each side to make it graph correctly.